Alright guys, so we have an unboxing of the PS5 Media Remote. This is meant for stuff like Netflix. And also it's really going to save your battery for your main controller. So just open up right here. And within it we have a box. And within that box, we have of course a remote, which we'll get to in a few. We also have some manuals. Alright, so just taking out the remote. Now this actually has a pretty nice design. Looks in sync with the PS5. This also comes with two AA batteries, which are actually Sony branded. So for the remote, let's just put in the batteries. Just gonna press right here. And take that off. And just put them in right here. Now guys, if you want help with connecting this to your PS5 and TV, then I'll put a video in the top right corner. Alright guys, thanks for watching.